If you hate cleaning, today's video is for you because I have found 15 new products from Amazon that make some of the most dreaded chores a lot easier. We're just gonna jump right into it. And as always, everything will be linked in the description. I will pin them to the comments or throughout the QR code on the screen. Let's check them out. Kicking it off with number one are these magic cleaning cloths. Now these come several to a pack, and here's the beautiful thing about these. You just need water, but unlike microfiber cloths or some of those other cleaning cloths that you just add water, these are slightly different. These are a little slimy, I will say. It takes a little getting used to it first, but I think that must be part of the magic of these magic cloths. You can use these on stainless or glass and mirrors, and they get rid of smudges, dirt, buildup so quickly and without leaving streaks. And then when you're done, you just toss them in the wash and let them air dry. Now, when they dry, they will shrink up some and not be their pretty perfect rectangle, but they still work just the same. Number two is such a game changer if you hate cleaning the shower, which I don't know anybody that loves cleaning the shower. If you do, please let me know. I think it is the worst chore out there. This makes it a little easier and buys you time in between those deep cleans. So this is called Wet and Forget, and it is a spray that you literally spray all over the shower, make it wet, and then forget it. Walk away for an hour or two, or leave it overnight, and then come back and rinse. And even if you have buildup, it will rinse right off. You might have to help it depending on how bad it is, but for your general messes or just light buildup, it should all rinse away. So that's all you have to do. Spray it, rinse it, let it dry, call it good. Now, yes, every now and then you are gonna still need to go in there and give a good, thorough deep clean, sort of a reset, but then you can go back to using this most weeks. And then, like I said, it buys you time before you have to do those deeper cleans again. So I love this for my regular, weekly cleaning until I have time to give it a good deep scrub. Number three is a total game changer if you find it hard to keep your toilets clean or keep up with cleaning them. So this is a cartridge that you pop into the tank, and with every flush, a cleaner mixes with your tank water, but it's totally clear. It doesn't make your toilet water blue like a lot of them do. It's clear, and with every flush, it's going to be cleaning your toilet, and then your toilet water as it sits in the bowl also has some of that cleaner in there, so it keeps the bowl clean, and you're not gonna have to clean it as often. I inserted this, and then literally, it was like it had been a month since I cleaned the toilet. Now, much like the shower spray, every now and then, yes, you're gonna still need to clean the outside. That's gonna get dusty. You're gonna wanna go in there and give the toilet a good deep clean to give it a reset, but it's gonna buy you so much time in between those deeper cleans. This is so good. Okay, number four is an absolute must if you have chandeliers or any intricate light fixtures. So this is a light cleaning spray, and you spray it, literally let it drip dry and call it good. You don't have to scrub by hand. You don't have to do anything other than put down a tarp or something under it because it is gonna be dripping. So cover your furniture or your floor, but just spray this all over, and then truly it will drip, take the dirt and grime along with it, and dry and be nice and crystal clear if it's like a glass pretty fixture. So it saves so much time and elbow grease. I absolutely love this for those detailed lights. Okay, number five sells out all the time, so I'm gonna hope that it is in stock when you are seeing this, but this is an easier way to clean not only baseboards, but the toe kick area under cabinets, which get so filthy. I've shared a triangular version in the past, which also works great, so this is the same idea, but rectangular. So you could keep it flat and use that to clean your walls, your vents, your trim around doors, things like that. Bend the little piece back, and now you have a great way to clean the toe kick or your baseboards getting the ledge and the side. This is such a dream. Easy just to walk around and knock out these areas without having to get down on your hands and knees and do a lot of scrubbing. And then when you're done, just toss it in the wash and reuse it. Number six is this dish soap block. Now, I still use regular dish soap, but sometimes you don't want to fill the whole sink. Maybe you only have like a dish or two to wash, or you have like a really dirty pot or pan that you just want to do some extra scrubbing on. That is where this is perfect. This uses clean ingredients. And so I will also link the scrub brush I use along with it, but you just wet the brush, glide it over the soap, lather up the brush, and then scrub your dish or your pots and pans with it. So really easy to use. I like that it's clean ingredients, and honestly, it looks decorative sitting out next to the sink too. Number seven, okay, my favorite carpet and upholstery cleaner is the Shark Stain Striker. That thing is an absolute dream, works so well. Well, now they have upgraded it a little bit, so it's the exact same amazing carpet and upholstery cleaner, but now it is self-cleaning, because the worst part about these types of machines is that the hose gets gunky and like the attachment, and you can clean them. A lot of times I would just like fill the tub with water and suck up the water with the hose. Well, now you don't have to do all that. You can literally just place it on the self-cleaning part. It's gonna clean out the hose and the attachment. So it's one less step that you have to take to keep the internal part of the machine clean, because we don't want that getting gunky. But as far as carpet and upholstery cleaners go, this is incredible. It removes every stain that I have ever thrown at it. Truly magic. It uses 2 solutions, and I think that's like the secret sauce for why it works so well. So if you need a good one, I would grab any of the stain strikers, but if you want an easy way to clean out the machine itself, I would get this one. Number 8 is this cabinet cleaner. Now, you don't need a fancy cleaner to clean your cabinets. You can just use soap and water. But where I like this is sometimes, I'm like cleaning the kitchen at night and I look and I'm like, oh, like that cabinet's greasy, or this one has food splatter or whatever. And it's easy just to spray it with this spray and wipe it down, and it works really good. Or a lot of times I like to use this. It does come with a scrub brush to get into the grooves of the cabinet doors, depending on the style you have. Ours has like a couple different little like grooves or ledges, and they collect a lot of dust. So this is nice to spray, go through with the scrub brush, wipe with a dry cloth, and call it good. So just an easy little cabinet cleaner. Number 9, I talked about before, the original Beeswax Spray. I love this. This is a great multi-purpose cleaner, but it doesn't cause buildup. So I hate furniture sprays. You do not need them. They create buildup. It just attracts more dust. This does not do that. You can use this on furniture, glass and mirrors, stainless, fake plants, the inside of your car. No buildup. It's just going to leave behind a nice, beautiful, clean shine, and it helps make the surface more like smudge proof. So if you dust something and touch it, you won't even see the fingerprints. You can put it on stainless or glass and mirrors. You won't see smudges at first. I mean, over time, smudges will appear, but they're easier to clean off. So it helps keep your surface cleaner longer without creating buildup. Number 10 is this makeup brush cleaner, and I feel like I have tried so many different makeup brush cleaners over the years. A lot of times I just use Castile soap, which does work great, but I like this because it's all right there in just this little container. It looks like makeup itself, and you open it up, it's like a little soap block in there, and all you have to do is wet the brush and then swirl it on there, and it gets really clean, and then just rinse off the soap when you're done, let it air out, and then put the cap on and put it away. So it's just a very quick and easy way to clean your makeup brushes, and the lid has a little scrubber pad built into it. So literally everything you need is just right there in this little compact container. Number 11 is one of my latest, newest finds. I think this is so cool. This is a Flexi-Clamp Mop. And what this is, a very multi-use, multi-purpose mop, but it like cleans, it grabs onto the cloth. So you can use this with whatever cloth you want. I like to do microfiber. It'll come with a couple duster cloths, and you put that on the ground, push the mop down on it, and it has like little teeth that grab it and hold onto it really well. So as you mop the floor or clean the walls or baseboards or cabinets, you can use this all over. The cloth really stays put on there. Sometimes other mops where you add a cloth on, they can like fall off, but this holds it snug in place. And then when you're done and you need to remove the cloth, it's very hands-free. You just push a button and it'll drop down into your laundry basket or whatever. It even has tweezers so you could like grab the cloth if you wanted, but such a very cool new invention. Okay, number 12 is sort of cleaning, but also so good for travel or keeping on the go. So these are travel wipes, and I love them because A, they're great for cleaning kids or little messes or hands or just keeping on the go, but they're so tiny. They're the cutest little packages, but when you take a wipe out, it still is a very good size wipe. So I love these. They come in a pack with several. I keep some in my glove box, in my purse, taking on the go for travel. They're easy to toss in a bag, or even like my son's backpack, he could have some on him without needing like a whole big thing of wipes. Okay, number 13, you probably have seen other versions of this. I know there's like the angry mama type thing. It's the same idea, but basically this is a dog that you fill with water, stick it in the microwave, run it for a couple minutes, and it's gonna produce steam. So if you have any stuck on mess inside of your microwave, the steam is going to loosen it. So it makes it really easy for you to wipe it away. Now, do you need this? Probably not, because you can achieve the exact same thing with a bowl of water. But if you like a novelty item, this is a cute way to tackle stuck-on messes in your microwave, which is a terrible chore. Number 14 is this retainer cleaner, but you could also use this for jewelry. It uses like ultrasonic, I think like waves or whatever to clean it, but you can also use it with cleaning tablets. So this is really good if you have retainers or Invisalign trays, just to drop it in. I don't do it nightly. I have Invisalign trays. I scrub mine with a toothbrush, but then like once a week, I maybe drop them in here with a cleaning tablet for an ultra clean, and then just go back to the toothbrush. And again, you could use it for jewelry too. And lastly, number 15, I think this is so cool for if you need a shop vac, but you don't want like a big bulky shop vac machine. This is just like essentially the top of a shop vac, and it works on any 5-gallon bucket. Lowe's right now has pink 5-gallon buckets. I bought one. I was like, I have no use for this, but I need a pink 5-gallon bucket. And then I found the shop vac top and I was like, I found a use for my bucket. So all you do is plop it on top of a 5-gallon bucket and it works just like a shop vac. It has the hose and attachments and it has great suction power. And by the way, it's also very easy to clean out. So I cleaned up dirt with this and then, like, as you see in the video, spilled milk and other liquids, and it was quite the mess, but the whole thing was really easy to take apart and clean the filter, the hose out, let it all air dry and put it all back together. So really good for spring cleaning or anytime you just have big messes. And then it's nice because you just clean the filter and rinse out the bucket. I just feel like it's a lot easier than a big shop vac to keep clean and a little easier to store too. All right, and that does it. Just 15 new cleaning finds that help simplify some dreaded chores around the house. Again, everything's gonna be linked in the description below and pinned to the comments, and I'll have them at the QR code on the screen, and I will see you in my next video.